Welcome back to another video. We are doing something that was requested a couple months ago. If you didn't watch, I suggest you go watch this one first. She did my makeup, and thanks to the suggestion of Manny
and Jasmine,
they suggested that I do her makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. She got a specific look for me to do.
Good look.
This is my first time seeing it.
Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Can you zoom in his face and not his cakes? Oh my goodness.
What are you looking at?
First of all,
are you looking at the makeup look or
that's what
his booty?
I mean, the first thing that looked at me was his booty.
You have some options. This one?
Oh, alright, we're gonna go with this one.
This one?
Yeah, I feel like I can pull this off. When you were doing mine, I felt pretty comfortable knowing what was what. But now that I have to do it on you, I'm drawing a blank to what is what.
I don't want to tell you because it's kind of gonna ruin the purpose. No.
Yeah, but I also don't want to fuck your makeup up.
You're fucking good. So what do we do first? Think about that.
First we have to go ahead and apply foundation.
Alright, getting right into it. You have to color match me.
Color match you to what? His booty?
Like match the foundation to my skin.
But the way I apply it, I'm gonna put this in your T-zone first.
You have
Alright.
to see, like, don't put it all over my face. See if it matches. First things first, you need to prime my face. You
Sure.
skip this step. Mostly in the T-zone, like you said.
I feel like you need a little more.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Step number 1 done.
Step number 2, foundation. All right, so where am I gonna mix this? Do I
First,
need?
you have to see, like, here. Oh my god!
What?
Put the foundation here. Like very little. Okay.
All right, that's obviously not your color. That's giving you a hot Cheeto vibes. Okay, let's go ahead and check this one. And if they don't,
Like just a little.
what the fuck
You
happened?
broke this one. It has a pump. You gotta buy me a new one.
Why was there a stick?
So the product could come out. It's not a stick.
This is even darker.
It's
Actually-
not darker, you see?
That is lighter. A dot, and then I'm gonna use the booty blender now.
Mhm.
All right, here we go. Do one here, one here, one here, one right here, right here, one right here, and then one right there. Am I right?
Mm.
Wait, I need one here. I remember this. So now I'm gonna start blending. Do I just pat? You gonna tell me?
You gotta move quick because it dries and it's gonna be patchy. My god, I'm gonna have bruises tomorrow.
Man, you looking like Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson in the cut. Do a little Shamona.
Look up. Look up.
Look up.
You're poking my eye.
No.
You're like really.
Look up. Now you know how I
Look,
feel.
no, you're like literally in my eye.
I'm literally in your motherfucking eyelids.
That's
trying
what
to
the
help
pointy
you up.
side is for.
Girl, you ain't told me that. And then after you finished doing this on me, you were like, you look good.
Yeah, I don't.
Why do you look good?
Do I look good?
Yeah, you look good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and contour your face now.
Yeah, but what about my under eyes? Like you left them like I can still see my bags.
Okay, so then I go over again with more.
You need some concealer, honey.
You guys sneeze?
Not anymore.
Wait, there?
That's it.
Oh.
Oh my god, you didn't blend here. No, not the concealer.
All right,
You see this?
let me blend it again.
You really gotta get in there.
You should be ready to go. Check it out.
So what do you guys think? If you saw me like this, you'd be like, what's wrong with your makeup?
I would not say that. That is rude.
So if I looked like this, you wouldn't say what's wrong with your makeup?
There's been times where you were like either yellow or orange, and I was like,
Fuck you.
well, this was like years ago. You've made your way to the way, like the makeup you do now. You do your makeup so great. Like you
I
did,
don't even do my makeup.
you did it yesterday, and it looked amazing.
Yeah, I did do it yesterday. First under the eye.
All right. So what is it?
Translucent powder. Laura Mercier.
Laura Mercier.
Don't use too much, it's expensive. Oh my god!
You tell me after.
You're gonna give me Flashback Mary. You know who Flashback Mary is?
Who the fuck is Flashback Mary?
It's James Charles when he used too much translucent powder.
You use the amount you want, cause I don't want to waste all your Laura Licious. Laura what?
Mercier.
You should have just said that.
Get in like my nose and shit. Not in my nose. Like,
Don't worry about it, girl.
Hmm?
Don't worry about it. You're neck too, right?
I'm sure. Sure. Sure.
Where's that from?
Sure.
Who are you referencing?
My fellow classmate. Nah, it's from James Charles.
Oh.
In his videos, they say, sure.
Oh, I was like, your classmate. I was about to be like, what happened? Shout out to Osro. She's She's great.
She's a keeper.
She'll be on the channel very soon. I think
Alright.
we're good.
Let's
Check
get
it
a
out.
close up.
Check it out.
Okay, it's not too bad. What's next?
Now we need to contour.
Okay.
Cheek parade. What in the hell? We should show the product we're using. Ah, we're not getting paid. How do I put it on there? I just...
Like on an angle, like this. Tap off the excess, and then you want it with this.
Tap off the Tap off the edges.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You're not gonna get any product on there if you're like swishing it that lightly.
I think it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to...
You didn't contour my nose.
I did not contour your nose.
Look at his nose. It's snatched.
This.
Like this. But you gotta make my nose look small. You see how he has it like this from here to here? You're looking so hard. Like this.
Okay.
Here. But if you don't make the line straight, my nose is gonna look crooked, so.
Fuck. No?
You just made my nose like fatter.
So-
Like here. You put way too much.
Well,
Look at that. That like this right here. Right here. Okay, okay, okay. If my nose looks like this, guys, it's because you didn't put a straight line. Okay, what's next? You got no snacks for your clients?
girl, we just had pizza. What you talking about? You want snacks? We can get snacks. Some ice cream or something?
Sure. Wiper motions. Is that how a wiper wipes? No, they wipe like this. Choo.
Check it.
Not too bad. I'm impressed.
What are you doing?
Bending my eyelid like this.
You looking like the Undertaker. Do it on 3. So now I'm gonna use the darker. Well, let's show this shit real quick. All right, we're done. They ain't
So what
paying
was the
us
purpose of it?
to show them that we're using some colors. All right.
So that you just want to apply like to the corners here. Okay.
Okay. So close your fucking eye and stop doing that shit, please. Look at you. Why you
This
look?
is how you sleep.
I don't see like that.
You're supposed to love me for who I am.
I love you for who you are, but what the
This
fuck
is
are you?
who I am.
All right, check it out.
Beautiful. Okay,
You
now.
didn't even look. If you have any other suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments because we do them. Fucker.
Wow, you did my eyeshadow pretty good. A little more in the inner corner. What is that? This is what you're doing. Like this. Near. Like this. Like this.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's how you're gonna
No,
use it.
the fucking pizza we had made me so. Oh my god.
I love this cheese.
I like that pizza, but
I
fuck.
don't know why I love this cheese.
Oh my god, it smells.
It's so funny.
Oh my god, what the fuck is so fucking funny?
You're fucking smelly as crack.
It smells so fucking bad. This brush sucks. I feel like his white is hitting way harder.
Yeah, because he has James Charles palette and I don't.
James, please send us it because without it, look at
I
this.
have no pigment.
He's with Morphe, no?
Yeah,
You like Morphe.
yeah.
Send that shit. These brushes suck.
I need the
James,
James Charles
James, you
brushes.
make brushes?
Come on. Oh, guys. Yeah.
Yeah? Oh my. Check. I think you need more blue.
Add whatever you want.
Take it off.
I
Take
can't.
it off. Yes, you can. No, fuck it. Take it off. Take it off.
I
What do
can't.
you mean you can't?
Overline my lips.
Great. I feel like this is too dark.
No, you're fine. Are you done? Very straight.
Maybe I did go a little far out the line. Look, close it. Alright, no. Does it look bad? It looks bad?
No. I like Miranda sings.
Isn't that a girl that puts that shit all the way over
That's what I
Oh
like.
my god, no you don't.
If I went outside looking like this with these lips, you're like, I'm outside. And I came out with this, you would not say nothing.
I would drive away.
Don't be shy. And then right here.
Okay. Like a dot?
You see his?
But like your stuff is not like precise, you know?
You're not precise. Look at these lips.
Alright, so we're gonna redo her lips. It's
Not redo them, just...
touch up. Where would you advise touching up? Here, here,
What do you think?
fucking everywhere. Check it out.
Perfect. No, that's what I'm talking about.
I think I did okay, but I think for my very first time, because we have never done this before, there's room for improvement. I think we can agree. What do you think?
I think if I smile, it looks good. So I'm like this.
Well, let's hope you're smiling. Let us know what you guys think in the comments.
Do I look like this?
That's it for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed. We are on the road to 1,000, and I can finally say that because it sounds like a realistic number. We are on our road to 1K. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this to whoever you want to fucking share it to. We don't give a fuck. Yo mama, yo papa, everybody. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for the support. See you next week. This was what we were going for, and this is what we ended up with.
Expectation versus reality.
Yes, ma'am.
You did a very great job.
Thank you.